Welcome to the IJIRT Partner Network program. Let's understand about the Partner Network program by IJIRT. So if you're passionate about research and innovation, this is your chance to become an essential part of our dynamic community. Joining is simple and rewarding, and here's how it works. To begin, the first step is to register as a referral or reviewer. All you need to do is fill out a quick registration form. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed and approved by our team, after which you can begin participating in the program. Once approved, the next step is to start submitting your research papers. This is where the real impact happens. By sharing your innovative work or by helping others share theirs, you contribute to advancing global knowledge. After your paper is accepted and the processing fee is completed, you will earn 800 Indian rupees as a token of appreciation for your contribution. This reward acknowledges your role in advancing academic excellence and encourages your continued involvement. Once you've earned your reward, it's time to share your bank details with our team to initiate withdrawals. We ensure secure transactions so you can trust that your payments will be processed safely and efficiently. The final step is where the excitement builds. Withdraw your earnings. However, there's a small twist to keep things manageable. Let me walk you through how the earning system works with the IJIRT Partner Network. To begin with, there's an initial locking amount of 1,000 rupees, which is non-refundable. Now, when you publish your first paper, there are no earnings because the lock amount is utilized. However, as soon as you publish your second paper, you start earning 600 rupees. Moving forward, from the third paper onward, you earn 800 rupees per paper. To make this clearer, let's take an example of Ravi, who publishes 4 papers through the IJIRT Partner Network. For Ravi's first paper, there are no earnings as the locking amount is utilized. For his second paper, he earns 600 rupees. From his third paper onwards, he earns 800 rupees per paper. So for the third and fourth papers, Ravi earns 800 rupees each. Adding this up, Ravi's total earnings come to 2,200 rupees. Now, let's understand how you can register for this program. The registration process is designed to be simple and hassle-free. First step is to register for the IJIRT Partner Network program. Simply visit the Referral Reviewer registration page. Fill in all the mandatory fields like your name, email, phone number, and education details. Don't forget to verify your mobile number with the OTP to activate the Register button. Then, read and agree to the terms and conditions before clicking Register. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation email, and you're officially part of the IJIRT Partner Network. Now, let's log in to the IJIRT Partner Network program page. Once your registration is approved by the team, you'll receive an approval notification via email, WhatsApp, and text message. After receiving the confirmation, just enter the email and password you used during registration, and you'll be logged in. It's that simple. Just make sure you've received your approval before logging in. Now it's time to submit your paper. First, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Submit Paper button, which is highlighted in blue. Once you've clicked it, start filling in the necessary information below. Enter your paper title in the field marked with an asterisk. Next, upload your paper by clicking Browse Paper. Remember, the file must be in either .doc or .docx format. You can also download the sample paper format if needed. Select your area of research from the drop-down list. Options include fields like engineering, science and technology, pharmacy, science, physics, chemistry, maths, biology, commerce, economics, name few. Now, move on to the main author details. This is where certificates will be generated, so make sure your details are accurate. Enter your author name. Fill in the institute/organization field. Enter your mobile number. Make sure it's 10 digits, as it will be used for WhatsApp and SMS alerts. Provide your email address. If there are co-authors, click on the provided fields to enter their details, including name, email, and mobile number. Finally, enter your address of communication, including address line 1, address line 2, country, state, city, and PIN code. Once all the information is filled in, click Submit to complete the process. And that's it. You're done. Now, let's talk about checking the status of your paper. After you've submitted it, you'll initially see that the status is marked as under review. This simply means our team is currently reviewing your submission. Don't worry, this is a standard part of the process. Once our review is complete, you'll get an update on whether your paper has been accepted or rejected. Here's an important note. You can also add another author's paper to the system. If you have co-authors, you can redirect their payment gateway to them. Once they complete the payment, you'll receive a confirmation of acceptance payment. At this point, the status of your paper will change to publishing. Now here's the exciting part. Once your paper status is marked as publishing, it means your paper is officially live. You can also download the certificate for each author, which will be available once the paper is accepted and published. So, keep an eye on your status. As soon as it's marked publishing, your paper will be live, and you'll have all the certificates and updates you need. It's that simple and straightforward. Let's understand how to withdraw the amount to begin. You need to update your bank details step by step. Step 1. Click on the Payments tab located on the sidebar. Step 2. Select the Bank Details tab to open the Bank Details page. Now it's time to enter your account information. Account number, confirm account number, bank name, account holder name, exactly as it appears on your bank account, IFSC code, branch name. Make sure to follow the instructions provided in the video for accuracy. Once all details are entered, you'll be ready to proceed. Now it's time to withdraw your request. Let's start by navigating to the left sidebar, where you'll find the Payment tab. Once you click on the Payment tab, you'll see an option for Referral Withdraw Payment. Click on this, and the Referral Withdrawal Payment page will open up, as you can see on the screen. On the right side of the page, you'll notice a status table showing different amounts, such as your total earned, withdrawn amount, and locking amount. It's important to note that whatever amount you wish to withdraw, make sure it's less than or equal to the withdrawable amount to avoid any issues. Once you've completed the withdrawal request, it will appear in the bottom entries. Our team will process your request according to the withdrawal policy. Now, this is the Earned Transaction page. Here you can check your total earned amount, track your earnings, and verify details before withdrawing. Simple and quick. For more updates, visit our FAQ section.